Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the support section. And as you can see, there are three contacts given for this section: a WhatsApp address, a local sales and support contact, and an international support center contact. So you can reach them through these ways. As you can see, there's a 24/7 availability as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.